I am so excited to show you guys this house. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse in North Redondo Beach, and it's completely redone, and it's just over $1 million. Let's go check it out. I'm Ashley Novak with Novak Schultz Real Estate Group at Compass, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. And if you want to know everything about living in the South Bay and LA area, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon for notifications. If you have any questions, all of our information is in the description below, and we're happy to help. We also have some community tours and relocation guides as well. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 1,450 square foot detached townhouse in North Redondo Beach. It was built in 1979, but has been completely renovated on the side and has some super cool features. And the best part about it, it's listed for just $1,049,000. Like, this is a steal. There are 3 offers already, but this will give you an idea of what you can get in the North Redondo Beach area. And I always tell my clients, if you find something that's similar, but maybe not as updated, it gives you ideas for the possibilities of what you can do with your property. So this is the living and dining area. You have an updated kitchen with new appliances, and it's semi-open floor plan. You can still cook in the kitchen and see everybody in here. They did this really cool stone wall with wood going all the way up to the ceiling. You have vaulted ceilings in here and skylights. It's kind of a cloudy day, so you don't get all the natural light that you would, but this is such a unique feature over here. This is a deck that's built from onto the back. There's a deck that's built onto the back of the house, and this is very rare. I think this is actually the first time that I've seen this, and it's you step up onto the deck, and it's so serene and peaceful out here. You have all these flowers and trees, super quiet, and they even did some glass enclosure as well. So that's a super cool feature. And this home has a traditional floor plan, so all of the bedrooms are upstairs, and you also have a little loft area for an office as well. So it's really 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus an office. When you enter the corridor, you have a half bath right over here as well. And you have vaulted ceilings throughout the entire home, so it really makes you feel it makes it feel so much larger than 1,500 square feet. So this is the primary bedroom with the ensuite bathroom, and they did some great staging. It's a great size bedroom. You have a balcony off of the master as well. The bathroom could use a little bit of updating, but for the price, this is phenomenal. And then you have 2 bedrooms that share 1 bathroom. And then up here, again, I love skylights because it just gives you so much natural light. And this is a back unit, so it's always a little bit more difficult to get natural light, but you have this space for an office or a playroom, whatever you want to use it for. Children that live here would go to Birney Elementary, Adams Middle, and Redondo Union. So you're in a top-rated school district, you're just 2 miles to the ocean, and you're close to everything that Artesia and Aviation have to offer. So thanks for joining us on this tour of this awesome townhouse. This is one of the best values that I've seen in Redondo in a long time. And if you're looking for a property in Redondo Beach or surrounding areas, or you just have any questions, or you're looking to rent in the area, all of our information is in the description below, and we would love to help you.